This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both source and target. Open your PowerPoint and save it with a clear name. This prevents broken links later. Next, decide whether you link to a slide, another file, or a web address because the method differs slightly. Once done, make sure local files are in the same folder to keep relative paths stable. This reduces errors when moving files. Now you're ready for the first actionable step, selecting the object that will become your link. You now create the actual link. Select the text, shape, or image you want to make clickable and choose Insert then Link. Pick the appropriate target. Place in this document for a specific slide, existing file for another presentation, or web address for a URL. When you select a slide or file, specify the exact slide number or path so navigation is precise, and add a screen tip so viewers know what to expect. This step ensures predictable behavior during your presentation. Finish by testing and finalizing your link. Run the slideshow and click each link to confirm it opens the right slide, file, or web page. You want smooth transitions. If you link to external files, test on another machine to ensure relative paths hold up, and update links if you moved files. If a link breaks, relink the object or switch to an absolute path as a fallback. That usually fixes missing targets. One tip: keep backups before bulk changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.